This is how I'll make $100,000 in a day, again. Hello from San Diego, it's Adrian here, and I'm just in a really crazy transition period of my life. I've been doing lots and lots of reflecting. It's because over the last few years, been traveling the world with my wife, and now we're settling down. A chapter is ending, a new chapter is beginning. We bought our dream home in Austin, Texas. It's weird. It's a strange time because I feel like the house that I got in Austin is not just a house, it's a dream house. It's a house that I spent hours upon hours in my younger adult years visualizing and clicking on Zillow properties that I could not afford, but imagining what life could be like if only I could afford it and have my dream house. Well, we got it. I don't want this to come across as rude, but I don't plan on showing my house online. You won't see a YouTube video on here with a thumbnail saying my home tour. It's because I bought the house for me. My wife bought it for her. We didn't buy it for you guys. And what I guess I'm thinking of right now is this weird flexing culture that the new norm of like what my parents used to describe keeping up with the Joneses. You see young male or female flexing their Lamborghini or their mansion or their Gucci, and it's hard to tell if that person's actually rich or if they're faking it or if they're on leverage. It all sounds the same. It's all very loud, outwards displays of wealth. But real wealth is actually quiet. It whispers. If you go to someone who's actually wealthy, let's just say Tony Robbins, you don't see on his Instagram page, Lamborghini, flex, flex, flex. It's about his life. When you go to some of these internet millionaires, you don't see that. You see the flexing, the material objects. As I transition from minimalist to mansion, I don't think I can say I'm a minimalist. Can you be a minimalist and have a mansion? I don't think that's a thing. I want to make sure that I still have intent behind my purchases. I bought my dream house. I have lots of reasons why I bought my dream house, but none of them have to do with flexing. I didn't buy it for anyone else other than myself and for my wife and their future. Personally, in this transition period, I'd like to start a family. Professionally, I don't know. I don't know what the next chapter is there. I think if you're someone who was like me many years ago, you spend time on Zillow looking up, $1 million houses and properties and wondering what life could be like. When you finally make it, it's like trying to figure out what is the next chapter. I'm in that state of reflecting. And I've been thinking about this life lesson of purpose and goals and dreams. I've always been a dreamer, and I am at a point where I'm about to accomplish one of my biggest dreams, to have the dream house. Feel like learning about money early in life, how to make it, how to manage it, has helped me in ways. Each day I realize just such a big advantage. And I think if it wasn't for those dreams I had, I couldn't have visualized where I'd be today. I'm much further along than I thought I would be by a long shot. I'm 32 today. I didn't think I was gonna be here ever. Whether you are someone who hasn't yet hit a big life dream goal or you have, it's important to continue dreaming. It doesn't stop. Once you hit it, you think about what's next. And I think it's okay to be happy and content, but I also think when you stop learning, you die. I've been working a lot lately behind the scenes. For anyone who's ever sold online, you already know. But if you haven't, how do I describe this? A tidal wave of consumer demand is happening. And for the last few years, in Q4, with emphasis on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I've been able to make 6 figures in a day. In fact, in the last couple months of the year, I usually make more than what I did the last 10 months. It's just crazy because of consumer demand, holiday shopping. Every single year, every niche trends upwards. People actually want to see ads. They want to see offers. And as an affiliate marketer, someone who basically promotes a lot of different products and services in a variety of different industries, I see all my offers and my ads just shoot up a massive bump. And it's weird, you know, connecting the stage I'm at right now, about to transition this next period of my life and settling down, and also right in the heart of like, it's the busiest time of the year. Your whole business can blow up basically in a matter of a weekend. So I wanna say two things. One, if you have never sold anything online before, it's not too late. In fact, right now is probably the best time to get started. I have a special training that I'm doing. It's a full day live training on basically what ads I'm gonna create this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And if you wanna learn more about that, go to brambilamethod.com/Q4. Two, if I think about the critical moves, whether I made them by luck, by chance, or by skill, that got me to where I am today at 32 years old, it would be about understanding consumer demand, trends, and basically really diving into this world of internet marketing. When you do that, you start learning about all these different ways of how to make money online, but all signs point to basically one road, one weekend, or 1 month, and it's Q4. It's what's about to happen. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I know you've probably spent money on these days, I have, but have you ever sold before? Because it's completely different. It's like the best time of the year to sell, and selling on Black Friday, Cyber Monday is like, I don't know, I can't explain it other than it's madness. It's a tidal wave. Everyone wants to buy your stuff, and you use scarcity because things do sell out. It's gonna be very strange Black Friday, Cyber Monday, this coming Q4, because already right now there's a lack of supply and demand. So typically what happens is prices increase and people are it's gonna be frenzy. So I'm saying this because I can help you. If you're someone who wants to get started and you have nothing right now, that's okay. Because Black Friday, Cyber Monday is not about having anything. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. You don't even need a website right now. What you do need though is a little bit of money, because how you scale because you haven't put in the effort, you don't have a back-end business, is through ads. The best time of the year to run ads is basically these last couple months of the year, with emphasis on the crazy spike of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And as an affiliate, you can team up with really amazing brands and companies and sell like crazy. And I'm actually doing a training I've never done before, and I'm only gonna do it once this year. Maybe I'll do it next year, I don't know yet, but and it's basically gonna be showing the ads I'm gonna launch this year. If you have any interest in learning what I'm doing, and also learning how to run ads specifically to scale quickly this Q4, then check out brambilamethod.com/Q4. The training is gonna be November 6th. It'll be a full live day training. Basically, if you don't have no experience, that's totally okay. It's made for beginners. I'm gonna basically walk through from scratch, set up multiple winning Q4 campaigns that are based on higher, I would say, affluent buyers, because that's kind of where the money's at. Well, that's a little life update, plus a little offer for those of you who want to take advantage of the upcoming holiday shopping buyer frenzy. Whether you do or you don't, I just want to say thank you so much for being here. Looking forward to settling down and making more YouTube videos. It's been tough to travel and film at the same time, but I appreciate all of you, whether you've been watching my channel for a day or for years. This is Adrian. Peace.